Okay. So here the values were there in the vertical columns. We can have the values in the horizontal column. So same data, what I have done is I have placed it horizontally. So in the VLOOKUP, you were searching here. Okay. But the issue is that now the search is here, this side. See, I have to search ACC Ltd or Bajaj Auto or Bharat Petro, etc. These are in the horizontal. They are in the row wise. Okay. I cannot use VLOOKUP to search this. Okay. I have to rely on HLOOKUP to do this. Okay. Note that HLOOKUP is similar to VLOOKUP. Okay. Only the thing is, it will search horizontally. So let's see as an example. Find the code of the company whose name is ACC Ltd. Okay, so see, ACC Ltd, I have transformed from vertical to horizontal. You want to know what is the code of this company? You want to know this code? What you will do? So if I write, let's see this VLOOKUP. See, VLOOKUP, and I want to search ACC Ltd dot. Please remember, it is not what I will say case sensitive, but it is very sensitive to the values. So if you don't put dot, it will not search. So T capital, it doesn't worry. The table array. So should you give this table array like this? Okay. So you are doing VLOOKUP ACC Ltd. You are saying B1 to H5. Okay. And column index now. What is the column index? See, column index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't want the column. I want the row. I want this to come. So this is not correct because it will give you the column as the output. So what we have to do is we have to go for HLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? I'll search ACC Ltd dot. What is the table array? I will start from here. Don't start from here. Okay, start from here. Don't bring the header. Control Shift down, Control Shift right. Select entire area, comma. What is the row index number? What is the row index number? See, earlier column index was 1, 2, 3. Now we have the row index. So your table is starting from here. This is your table. This is row number 1. This is row number 2. This is row number 3. You are interested in row number 3 values. As of now, like fortunately ACC has come here only, but we don't know. Maybe Cairn would have come. Maybe Bharti Airtel would have come. We don't know. So we are saying we are searching here in the first row. We want the output as the third row. So we'll put 3. And what is the range? We'll say false, which is the exact match. So let's see. We put those values 3, false, exact match. And press enter. See, it has given me the values. It has given me the output, correct output 10125. Now instead of this, if I am interested in, let's say, Bharti Airtel, it will write Bharti Airtel. See, it has given me the code of Bharti Airtel. Okay. So it is very much dynamic and you can look up into millions of lakhs of rows. It will not have any problem. It is like such an efficient function. Now code, you find the symbol of the company whose name is Bharti Airtel. Let's say suppose name is Bharti Airtel, but the symbol is what I want. So I will select this. I can select this entire area. I can select this area. It doesn't matter as long as this is included. So the row number will be 2 here. Okay. Then sales growth, profit growth, etc. Right. Now this is interesting question. Find the sales growth of the company whose symbol is Cairn. So if you see, Cairn is a company here. Note that I have not given the name, I have given the symbol. So what will you do? So will you do HLOOKUP? The lookup value, will it be this entire thing? Will you start from here? See, when you are starting from here, the symbol will be looked up in this first row. In case of VLOOKUP, the search was done in the first column. Here the first row it will be searched. And it will not find any company because this is Cairn India, not Cairn. And there will be no other company. So it will not give you the value. Okay. So see, first one we are searching here. Okay, table array. And the row index num we have given the sales growth as 4. And we have given the false as the exact match. So I just forgot that NA and value. Okay. I thought it is the right. So Cairn you are searching, so you are getting NA, which is expected because this is not right? So what is the thing we have to do? We have to make this to search in B2 to J5. But we don't want to go for 4, we want to go for 3, which is the third column, third row. And see, it has come minus 12%. Right? So always remember, just like VLOOKUP had the criteria that the whatever the range you have given to be searched, the value to be searched should be in the first row. This B2 to J5, you cannot select this. In case of VLOOKUP, it was first column. In case of HLOOKUP, it will be the first row. Okay.